So guys, make sure to stand till the end, because if you make one common mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stand till the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger this generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the fuses and the relays for fog lights are located, where you can find them. In addition, if you need to buy parts and tools at a good price, we'll share the information in the video for your convenience, that way you do not waste money and time. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have guys more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So fog lights guys, fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Challenger here. What we guys need to do, we need to work in two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to go ahead and open the hood. When you open the hood, you may have a V6, V8 engine, that shouldn't matter. On the passenger side here, we have the engine fuse box. You see that fuse box here, press the tabs, pull the cover up, lift it up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here for the fog lights guys, we need to check multiple fuses, relays. You may have all of them or some of them depending on which system you have, which model year you have as well, and whether you have HID or non-HID headlights. But you may need to check guys. Now fuse number 15 right here and fuse number 16. Most of the times the fog lights will be part of the headlight system, so check these two fuses. Then you need to check relay 46. It will be right here, and you need to check relay 65 right here. After that you need to open the trunk. In the trunk, leave the carpet liner up. Underneath you have the spare tire. This is the car battery on the passenger side. Behind it is the trunk fuse box. That's what it looks like. Press the tabs together, lift the cover up, and you have that layout here. Specifically here we need to check two more fuses, and we're talking about fuse number 6 and fuse number 7. Those are the main fuses, relays that we need to check for fog lights on Dodge Challenger. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones, put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.